Hey adrenaline junkies! Today we're about to tackle the mighty rapids of Gopeng. Get ready for a wild ride down the river. Hang on tight, folks! We're hitting the first set of rapids. It's all about teamwork and quick reflexes. Let's do this! The rush is unbelievable, and the water is alive around us. Look at this! This is the real deal. The key here is communication. We're constantly reading the river, calling out commands, and paddling as one. It's an adrenaline-fueled symphony. What a ride! Gopeng, you've been amazing! This is what it's all about. Pushing limits and making memories. Until the next adventure!
Malaysia, true.